Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. And in this video, today we will learn the topic of present perfect tense. Okay, and as you can see, we have just started with a new tense, and it's our beginning of the tense. So I hope that is you will stay with me until at the last part of this video as you did the previous tenses. And first of all, in this first video, today we will know the introduction and overview of past perfect tense. Okay, so no more talking. Let's get started. So here, first of all, we have to know that is what is mean the past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense is a past action. Okay, past perfect indicates a past of the past. Okay, for example, that is if we see the timeline here, I have drawn a timeline, and imagine that this time is the 12. Okay, 12, and before that is 11, and before 11 is 10. Okay, I have drawn the timeline here as you can see. So in this case, the definition of this tense is that when something happened, when something happened the first in the past, or if I say to you very easy, it will that is when something happened before that action, or before that past, on the time we can call this tense as past perfect. Okay, so let's see some example, then you can understand. So here we can see, if we talk about the past simple, we can simply say that is something happened. Okay, but past perfect makes a huge confusion. It makes the past more interesting and fascinating. Okay, so here's a simple comparison between past simple and past perfect. So let's see. So here we can see that is our definition of this tense, that is when something happened in past, simply happened in past. It can be an event or anything. On that time we can call the past simple. For example, that is the meeting started at 11. So here the started means past simple. It indicates the past. We arrived at 11. So we are just using one tense into sentences. Okay, we arrived at 11. Okay, this is also indicate the past. But if we transform it on the time, we have to say when we arrived, the meeting had started. So which action has begun? Can you guess it? Yes, the meeting had started. Then we arrive. Okay, so here had started. So this is past perfect, had started. And if we say the latter action, okay, and on the time we can use the past simple. Okay, so our main task is when any kinds of event or tasks happen before the past. It indicates the past of the past. On the time we can call this past perfect, and it must be the past. Okay, so I hope you get it. I hope you get it. So if okay, for example, that is now it is 12, and before that is 11, and before the 11 is 10. So we can call this past perfect. I have drawn this timeline to make you all understand. Okay, now we have already get it, and let's see the overview of past perfect. So during all this we can use had with all subjects. Okay, and then we can add the past participle. We can use the regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, so let's see. I had played, you had played, we had played, they had played, he had played, she had played, it had played. Same like eaten. Instead of this, I had eaten, you had eaten, he had eaten, Arjun had eaten, okay, they had eaten. Okay, so it's the short interaction of past perfect tense. Okay, so if you like this video, just stay tuned with us and like, comment, share, and subscribe our video. And see you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.